Hey guys, welcome to Auto Craze once again. We're doing it big, we're doing it crazy. You seen our video Independence Day where we done the 2 big builds. It was just wheels and tires, done a Chevy Silverado and a Tundra. And you also seen the giant Chevy Silverado. We done the fuel vapor wheels and the lift kit. This thing was insane, it's unbelievable. The car's back here because we're doing a lot of accessories to it. We did the light bar and we did a whole bunch of other things. But today, I'm gonna introduce you to this bad mother right behind me here. Dodge Ram 1500 that's in for the Auto Craze treatment. Today we're going to be doing a Bilstein 2-inch lift. We're also going to be wrapping it up with the Nitto Ridge grapplers and the beautiful XD MAMMOTH wheels in chrome to finish that American look. We didn't go to America this year, so we brought America down here to Australia. Stay tuned guys and check this bad motherfucker out. Introducing the wheels and tires, XD A38, also known as the XD MAMMOTH. Doing chromies on this with big 35-inch Nitto Ridge grapplers. The same way I wear pink shoes. We can get away with it.
What are those?
This BMF is going to have chrome wheels and watch it get away with it. The wheels are going on right now. Guys, we called your Dodge Ram the BMF.
The BMF?
Yeah, stands for bad But anyway, Adam Thompson's car's done, it's dusted. You've seen the Bilstein 2-inch lift, the XD MAMMOTH wheels, and he's come here today from Central Coast.
Yep.
Central Coast, we gave him the Auto Craze Ranger, he drove it. A bit too small for him after this Dodge Ram. Adam, what do you want to say, man? Like, I haven't seen the car yet, but...
Look, with all the dramas, look, to me it's, you guys done a fantastic job. You looked after me, mate, and we got what we wanted in the end, I suppose. Haven't seen it yet, but we got what we wanted, and yeah, let's have a look at it.
All right.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a go.
Not bad, right?
Not bad. That's awesome. I'll be back. Needs a pipe. Needs a pipe.
Oh, awesome. My man.
Thanks, mate. You. Nah, looks really good. Mo and his team here. Look, great job, guys. Awesome product. And yeah, look, I'm wrapped. That's great.
Early Christmas present.
Yeah, we'll be back for another one.
Merry Christmas to everyone, and Adam, thank you once
mate.
again, brother.
Thank
I really
you.
appreciate it.